Have you got roses at home? Have you tried taking cuttings from your roses? Let me show you how easy it is to do. You'll need some pots with some fresh potting mix in them, a rooting hormone which is optional. You can get liquid forms, powdered forms, you can even try honey as an alternative, and some fresh cuttings from your roses. Now you just need to take your cuttings, make sure you have them facing in the right direction. You can just snip off any thorns that are going to sit below the soil, and then make a cutting just below a leaf node. The cells here, which would usually produce buds and leaves, will now, once they're buried, change and produce roots instead. Using a little dibber, some sort of stick, a pencil or whatever, just make a hole in the soil where you're going to pop the cutting into. Take your cutting, dip it into the rooting hormone, and then just place it into the soil. It is that simple. Now to repeat. And it really is as easy as that. Now just to give them a little bit of a water, keep them in a fairly warm, bright spot, not full sun. As we're in February now, we're probably not going to see any results until spring. So it is a little bit of a waiting game. But in that time, hopefully there is roots developing below the soil, and then come spring, we'll see some buds appear and they'll be ready to plant out in the garden. Gotta love free plants. Now be sure to follow along for more gardening hints and tips.